Then the another thing that I started thinking about is that many business owners say that focus on one thing, do just one thing at one time, but you are starting new products. It's just a mindset change that you can do a lot of one things next to each other because you already find and train these people who can
Yeah.
after that help to you, and then to make the second and the third and the fourth business is the same as the first, just you have separated portfolio with different.
Exactly. So the product owners that I employ in my products, they innovate within the product. So they say, "Hey, Balazs, I have an idea. What do you think about that? Do you want to finance it? We plan, okay." But he's focusing or she's focusing on that product specifically, and that gives me enough time and lever and possibility to build the next one.
Yeah.
And to think about the next one, because I don't, as I said, I don't have to manage or micromanage the products themselves. And my one thing is what's going to be the next one thing.
Yeah.
And once I find that, now I have already a process. I'm building a new service. I have the value proposition. I know what's going to be about. I now look for the person from my pupils who would like to manage that one product, and I don't go to the next one, or I don't go live with that product unless I find someone who is who I can trust and who is willing to manage that product.
Then it's also makes a kind of in-house team with
Yeah,
full of innovators, and
yeah,
you can
exactly.
mention any idea that, for example, just one product with one product owner came the idea, you tested it out, and this small pieces worked really well, and you can transform it from one product to another one and another one and another one, something like when you work on one thing, then you can transfer it to all of your portfolio.
Yeah, for example, we have a problem that we want to teach so much more than people can chew. You can't fit everything into a program. But one of my guys who was at that time only employed as an advisor with clients, and also he was teaching in the schools. He said, "Look, there is something that smells like a product here because these ideas could be taught as separate little items, and people would be happy to listen to these ideas and to learn about these well-defined subjects. And let's organize that into some kind of teachable product series, like micro programs." I said, okay, I said, well, fine by me. You're going to be the product owner of this product. You know that. What does it mean? Okay, now I will finance your school as or your teaching as a product owner. So he came into one of the product owner courses. He learned it. He realized what it means. And then we discussed how we are going to finance this product ownership and the product. And he's building the product now as a product owner. And I'm the business owner, and he comes to me like, "This is my idea. These are my intentions." And of course, he consults with me as a business owner, but I'm not really developing that product. I'm just driving the process, how that product is being developed. And I can take a look at this now this product is being built as we're talking about it, and see how it fits into the greater picture. And I don't have to go to the depths of those items.
And then you said that ownership multiple times when we talked about the product owners, and usually it can came to their mind that what if I do it alone without Bala and without the team? Then what's the thing that connects them to you that, okay, I'm an entrepreneur mindseted guy. I want to work on that product, but I want a bigger piece of cake from the whole one, or how you deal with that situations that you, if I understand it well, you need to find somebody who's entrepreneurially or ownership mindseted enough to be a product owner, but not too much, because then they go in their own and do their own thing. How you can balance this?
I actually, when I create something, I protect that.
Yeah.
Because that's something I put my mind and time and energy into that. But when we create something, or a product owner or an entrepreneur comes to me, and now that's a different partnership.
Yeah.
So in this case, it's it's kind of a business partnership. He builds a product, which product, of course, the product belongs to Agile, of course.
Yeah.
But he can ride away with it and start his own. But as part of a portfolio, every product is much stronger. And of course, there is a traction behind Agile and lots of other values behind Agile. So yes, if somebody doesn't want to play ethically, he can take away what belongs to Agile and try to start building something from that, which is troublesome. Or we can collaborate and build something so much bigger, because it's a partnership. Nevertheless, the ownership is Agile.
Yeah.
The partnership is with the person who is building it with us. He's building it from because he depends on the whole team in order to create something. And then the resources, the brand, the name, the market, the people, the system, the help. So it's, And look, personally, I unless somebody does not steal what I built,
what you created,
I actually encourage them to become their own entrepreneurs and build your own business and start your own stuff and be our strategic partner in the field. And last year was the first time when in the alumni, in the Facebook we have a closed group where all our students are.
Yeah.
Scrum masters, product owners, and test automators, test automation experts. And at the end of last year was my first experience when somebody was searching for people for his or her project amongst the alumni. And I was really fucking happy about that. Like, hey guys, I have a project here. I need a scrum master. I need 2 product owners and then a business analyst. Who would come? And this is why I built the alumni. And of course, everybody is there. Everybody knows us. Everybody remembers us. And of course, we are there to help them to get to the next level and to fly and like.
So then when
it's good.
Yeah, when the tide comes, then all the ships can rise. And
exactly.
When you have the community and you have, as I understand it well, when you have really great and a lot partnerships, when you have a lot of products, you have a lot of ideas, you have a lot of frameworks, infographics, everything, then you can spread your wings for the future by your perspective.
Exactly, and it's also good for us as a business.
Yeah.
Just yesterday, Livia, who is the product owner of the Scrum Master School, was invited to an HR sort of a conference here in Budapest. And she went there and she was like, oh, so proud, because everybody on the stage was either somebody who we taught years ago and worked together with them years ago, or companies that are employing the people that we have taught years ago. And Lydia was like, oh, my dear pupils. And she was like so proud. and all those people. And this is where the years and years that you put into the business pays back its dividend, because then you see that, all right, it was not just a bullshit fluff that you built a community. It became something bigger than you.
Yeah.
And it's a good thing to see.
Yeah, so great that I can hear that you are spreading your wings and do your own products. Your people are everywhere who you worked with, and also you teach them before. So basically, if you have any great idea, a great product, a great company, or want to collaborate or anything, you have a connection for everybody. So I will leave in the section below every product that Bala have, also the schools and the references, so you can learn from the infographics that we created together, and also you can use the SaaS, the products and everything that he created, and
blogs, videos, tips, and just call me. I will pick up the phone.
Cool. So. Yeah, thanks, Bala, for being here.
Thank you very much. And see you guys. Take care.
Bye.